Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the optional guide questions. Level is difficult, range is 700, concept is pronoun, modifier and logical meaning. It says according to Interstudy, a non-profit organization that studies health maintenance organization, they estimate that in comparison to last year when only 36% of nation's 607 HMOs was profitable, this year 73% will be. Alright, so fine. First of all, pronoun error, right? They means what? Who estimates? Actually it is Interstudy estimates. And what estimates? That organization will be profitable and were profitable. So pronoun error. Interstudy, it is singular, that's why it should be it. Alright, so option A out. How about option B? Option B, again they estimate. Who estimates? No doubt it is Interstudy. Alright, Interstudy estimates 73% would be this year. So first of all, pronoun error, so option B out. Option C is okay. Option D is okay, there is no pronoun error, and option E is also fine. Now let us understand the other part of the sentence. C says only 36% of nation's 607 HMOs were profitable last year. It estimates means Interstudy estimates that this year 73% will be fine. Now option D. It estimates 73% of the nation's 607 HMOs would be profitable this year. Last year that was only 36%. Alright, so first of all it should not be would be profitable. Another point that it estimates. So the first of all we need main subject of the sentence. Why? Because according to Interstudy's modifier, a non-profit organization is modifier. So what we need a piece of information that should be the subjective part. So according to study only 36% fine. According to study only 36% fine, but it estimates 73% incorrect modifier along with incorrect usage of would and other words are exaggerated. Now option D out. Option E. Only 36% of nation's 607 HMOs last year were profitable. So the word last year should not be used here. It should be HMOs were profitable last year. Alright. Fine. Now next point. Whereas they estimate, pronoun error. They estimate means what? Same thing. Interstudy estimate. So option E out. Option C remains best option.